In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Maps location to your Instagram profile. So if you want to go and create a clickable link in your Instagram bio, then what you need to do is first open up the Google Maps application. And what you'll need to do is just go and search for the location that you want to go and add. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add this gym here, Olympus Gym. Then what you would need to do is scroll over in this right navigation, click on the share button, and then select copy link. Now, once you have this link copied, you can open back up the Instagram application. Now, from your Instagram page, click on edit profile, scroll down to links and click on this, click on add external link, and now go and paste in the URL that we just copied. So your link should look something similar to this. And then what we're going to do is give this a title. So I could say something like find us on maps and then go ahead and press done. Now, once you've done this, if you head back over to your Instagram profile, and if we click on the link section, you can see we now have these links to our Google Maps. And if I go and click on any of these, you can see that it will take us over directly to this point on the map.